you guys know that I chopped my hair, which is like something I haven't done in so long. I might as well do a tutorial on how I get this like blowout vibe using Velcro rollers. So I'm going to teach you guys my technique. I just want to clarify, I still do have my Great Lengths extensions just to kind of keep some of that volume, and honestly, like the style lasts 10 times longer when I have them in. Here's the trick. You can obviously let the heat from the round brush just kind of cool down, and you'll still get this like good blowout, or you can just take that section. If you don't have Velcro rollers, it's okay because you can just use a clip. So I kind of try to do each one a little different. So this is just gonna make sure that my style will last for the rest of the day. And then I'm gonna let it cool down. So if you don't have Velcro rollers, you can just kind of skip this part and then clip that up. But now take this. Woo, hot. Okay. Okay, same thing with this one. Probably go away from my face. Okay, so now that my part is sometimes here or the middle, so I just kind of do this one big section. I would split it, but I only have one left. Ooh, very quick on that one because I don't want it to look too curly. Now we just sit and wait, but